Well, here we are, live at the compound on January 5th, and no one's here.
It's a no-show game, guys.
Again, we really need to get one of your guys' phone numbers so you can let us know when you're actually not going to show up, or we can call you so that we don't drive all the way.
This table looks pretty good.
Yeah, that table is actually nice. I've never seen that before. It's fucking good, I guess.
Put it out in the front yard, $20.
And this is basically it, and this will probably be the video of just nothing that we're going to put up. Yeah, a lot of shit has been fucked up, destroyed.
I remember that. Oh, that was, I remember where I got shot. Yeah, dude, I remember I shot them in there.
All these tumbleweeds would be really nice right now. Especially right there.
I still want to climb up that thing.
Well, now would be your time to do it. You got a strap. You don't usually have one.
I know. What the fuck is this? Holy shit. This used to be, what was it, packing plant? Look at that. It's like old fruit.
Ew.
So,
old fruit. That shit's gay.
Fruit, I don't mean gay old men.
Beach. Yep. Yeah, somebody apparently ditched all their house over here and all their kids' toys. That popping wasn't coming from the tractor place, was it? Yeah. Yep, so I really wish we could have got a hold of somebody else from our team and we could just play with them.
Like a fags, but this place has a lot of potential. Are we gonna be, if people want to use it for some dumb shit?
Well, this will be an adventure. I should have just made this a separate video. And here he goes. I hope your strap is secure.
It is. Not, then I guess I gotta report it. It is fucking crazy up here, so.
Yeah, that's why my ass ain't doing it.
That is about as high as I'm going. Holy shit, I can see everything.
It'd be nice to put like some stuff around it to defend it.
It's gonna catch attention from the road.
Yeah. There's a McDonald's sign way over there. See if anybody can see it. It says "Me and Kante" or "I'm in loving it" or whatever. No. All right. People come over here and get drunk. It looks like that's the second tequila bottle I've seen out here. Samuel Adams. Whoa. They got hell of that. Whatchamacallit shit. Twine binding shit. Well, what's left to go check out the fucking... Yeah, the trailer. Dude, that's all cleaned up in there, huh?
Nope.
That's just all knocked down? Whoa, is that the fucking electrical box? I remember hiding behind that before. Yeah, I thought. Yeah. Yeah, it is. They tore out all the fucking components. Yeah, because I remember I ran behind it and hid.
There was something green here, remember?
Yeah. And it's gone now.
I think the county came and took it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the thing that fucking I would shoot behind. Eddie would get behind and I would shoot on from here. Yeah.
There's a green like a power little search box or whatever, substation little box.
It's gone now.
Over there.
Yeah, I thought. Like it was over this.
Yeah, remember those shit here, like boxes. Remember?
Yeah, this place got raided.
There wasn't anything in here. It's gonna be a good walk through. We'll get Airsoft loose here. Potential field.
Obviously, there's a pigeon problem. As you can hear overhead, it needs to be eradicated. He's out of ammo, PETA, don't worry. You shot the pigeons! They're flying rats and carry disease.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they stripped this for fucking
This thing was
copper.
destroyed. Oh my god.
Dude, look at that thing. Imagine that looks like a giant diesel engine. Or an engine, and there's the fucking crankshaft.
Yeah, this thing used to be like completely still intact.
There was something right here.
Here's somebody's fucking glove, I'm sure, that committed this.
There's shit here, man.
It's sad when people just come and disrespect all this shit. There's gloves on the ground, probably from the people that came over here and ripped it off. You know, this place still could have been used as a factory or processing plant or whatever it was supposed to be. And
well, that PVC pipe that could be your siding, dude.
mm-hmm. But not anymore.
It's money. There's
No,
money
it's
everywhere.
garbage. Look at this. Here's a ladder from it.
There's money, dude. Everywhere's money right here.
Need a ladder?
You want the ladder?
No, I think it'll stick out of the truck too far.
This is metal. Nope, wait. Only
PVC?
parts.
Wow. Well.
Look at this thing. This is all fiberglass.
Wow.
I actually like the jack.
Too late now. Well, this is a really good place to play, but we really need to get better coordinated with the Los Banos kids when they decide not to go. Well, yeah, it would be good.
I'm gonna have to fucking run into fucking what's her face. Give me some money. Nah, I got my girlfriend.
And I got a pocket full of change. It's gonna suck my. Never mind. All right, YouTube.